Hello and welcome to a tutorial for 2/2 left cross from Imagine Landscapes. I've worked up to the 4 stitches involved, and I will show you first with a cable needle and then without. What we need to do is we need to take the cable needle and we're going to slide the first 2 stitches from the left needle tip onto the cable needle, and we're going to let them hang in front. Then we knit the next 2 stitches from the left needle tip. And now we knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle. It can take a little bit of arranging to get the yarn and the needle tips all in the right place like this, but I usually find it helps to hold these parallel or kind of pinching them at the same time. So now I'm just going to knit 2 from the cable needle. And what this gives us is it gives us 2 stitches over 2 stitches leaning to the left. But let's do that without a cable needle. All right, we have our 4 stitches involved. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take the right needle tip. I'm going to come to the back of the work and I'm going to scoop up and go through the back of the 3rd and 4th stitches on this cable or on this needle. I'm going to pinch all 4 stitches involved between my thumb and my finger. I'm going to slide the left needle tip until it's out of all 4. We've got 2 that are dangling, but they're pinched, so we don't panic. Then I'm going to slide the left needle tip back in and pick them up. Then the ones that are on the right needle tip need to go back on the left so that we can work them. And in this case, that means knitting 4 stitches. And there we have 2 stitches over 2 stitches leaning to the left. Hope that helps. Happy knitting!